bird food thief.
Little bugger.
Yeah, when's it gonna leave?
And he's done. You should have seen, like I said yesterday, Mama Dove, or Morning Dove, flew up to the nest, scared the crap out of him. He jumped like a foot and flung seed everywhere, and then shot off the porch. And Maddie ran him off the other day. She's such a jerk. Like, it's okay with a man, and they love, I think they love peanuts, so I might get some peanuts. They have to be all natural and salted. Maybe I'm thinking of a squirrel. I don't know, we'll see.
Tell me about the squirrel again.
Well, I don't know if it's squirrels I'm thinking of that I saw on YouTube that he'd give them peanuts and they would love it. So maybe chippies don't want peanuts. He loves that.
Right.
But see how he doesn't really take the cracked corn? Morning doves love cracked corn. So whatever he's taking is fine because the rest of it can be for Bee and Boo.
Okay.